Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be going back to the basics and learning how to upload templates into Cricut Design Space. I still get a lot of questions on this, so I thought it'd be helpful to walk you through the steps from start to finish. If you have any questions after watching, please feel free to drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Now let's get started. When you purchase templates from me, you'll receive a zip folder. Once it's downloaded, usually into the Downloads folder, you'll need to extract it before using the files. I'm working on a Windows computer, so I'll right-click the zip file and choose Extract All. Then click Extract again. After that, you can delete the original folder. Inside the extracted folder, you'll see two files, a Studio 3 file for Silhouette Studio, a second file that might look like a Microsoft Edge HTML file. This is where it might get a little confusing. That second file is actually your SVG file, but if your computer doesn't have a default program like Illustrator or Inkscape to open SVGs, it might display it as a web file instead. If you double click it, it'll open into a web browser and show you a preview of the template. For Silhouette Studio users, all you have to do is drag and drop the Studio 3 file directly into the canvas. For Cricut Design Space users, you'll have to take a few extra steps. From your canvas, you click Upload, then Upload Image, click Browser and navigate to the extracted folder, and you'll see the SVG file. Double-click it or select it and click Open. You'll now see a preview of the templates. It may be one file or multiple. If it looks faint or even invisible, don't panic. Just click Continue. On the next page, the Details page, don't make any adjustments, just click Upload, and the template will be automatically uploaded to the canvas. A question that I get often is why the templates are red. I make them red so that the black cut lines are easier to see. If I were to make these black, sometimes they would appear to just be one solid black box. Another common question is, how do I work with these templates individually, or how do I separate them? For some reason, Cricut Design Space automatically groups everything together even though it's not made that way. I promise I don't group these together to make it any harder than it needs to be. But there is a very easy solution for it. All you have to do is select the templates and under the Layers panel, just click Ungroup. You can now move and work with each piece individually. When you purchase my templates, you'll usually get at least two files. One is an outline file, which is typically used for vinyl pinstriping. The other is a single cut line file, which is normally used for glittering with double-sided adhesive sheets. For now, we'll be hiding the outline template and working with the single cut line template. If you zoom in, you'll notice that these are all single lines. This prevents your machine from double cutting the same spots and creating those little hair-like pieces. You can also change your material color and turn off your background grid to get a better view of the cut lines. Now you just need to resize your template to your tumbler dimensions and you're ready to cut it. I use a Cricut Maker and I use the washi sheet setting for double-sided adhesive sheet. The pressure depends on the condition of the blade though. With a new blade, I'll use less pressure, and with a worn blade, I'll use normal pressure or more pressure. I always recommend doing a small test cut before cutting an entire template to avoid wasting material. And that's it, friends. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments for me. And as always, thank you all so much for your support and thank you for watching. Bye for now.